Hi, I'm Hunter Stephenson, and I'm going to be talking about the mRNA vaccine. So, vaccines are kind of a hot topic right now, and not everyone understands how they work. Most vaccines give your body a little bit of a dead virus or a little bit of an active virus so that your body can fight it off and make antibodies. Antibodies are kind of how your body remembers a disease that it's had before, so it's better at fighting it. You know how to fight someone that you already fought before, so why not research them ahead of time? That's kind of how vaccines work. Well, mRNA vaccines work a little bit differently. So instead of exposing your body to a little bit of the virus to make antibodies, it kind of just makes antibodies on its own. It gives your body instructions to make the antibodies. It uses the process of transcription and translation, that is part of protein synthesis, in order to make antibodies and then fight off the virus when you do eventually encounter it. On a very basic level, transcription and translation is turning your DNA into proteins, but it doesn't work exactly like that. Your DNA is really important to making more proteins, so if it directly is turned into a protein, you can't make more proteins. So therefore, your body makes a copy of that DNA, which is called RNA. Your RNA is read by a ribosome, which creates a polypeptide chain, which turns into a protein. Proteins do a lot of things in your body, and one of them is antibodies. The mRNA vaccine is a strand of mRNA that your ribosomes can read and therefore create antibodies. Transcription and translation is kind of like if you want to learn how to knit and you know your friend knows how to knit. So you go to your friend's house and you're like, teach me how to knit, and they tell you how to knit. But you don't want to go to your friend and ask them how to knit every time you want to knit. So you're going to write down their instructions on how to knit and get some yarn from them, and then you're going to go home and use those instructions to make a scarf. The scarf that you make is like the protein, and the process of you making the scarf is translation. The process of you getting the instructions and writing them down from your friend and getting the yarn from your friend is transcription. The mRNA vaccine is like a make-your-own scarf kit. It gives you the yarn and it gives you the instructions, but you didn't have to go to your friend's house and write them down. You don't have to do that part. The only part you have to do is the translation. You have to make the kit into a scarf. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot about mRNA vaccines.